Hey, wealth builders. Welcome back to the channel where we turn dreams into dollars. Today, I'm dropping a game-changing tutorial on how to find the right investment opportunities. A guide so powerful, it's your ticket to financial freedom. Ready to unlock the secrets of the ultra-wealthy? Buckle up because this is going to be epic. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and share this video to spread the wealth-building vibe. Let's dive in. What if one decision could change your financial future forever? That's what finding the right investment opportunity is all about. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, this evergreen strategy will keep your portfolio thriving for years. Let's break it down into 5 actionable steps that anyone can follow to spot golden opportunities. Step 1. Know your goals, dream big, plan smart. The first step to finding the right investment is crystal clear goals. Ask yourself, are you investing for retirement, a dream home, or passive income to travel the world? Your goals shape your strategy. For example, if you want quick returns, real estate flips, or crypto might be your jam. Want long-term stability? Think index funds or dividend stocks? Write down your goals. Yes, grab a pen. Clarity is power. Pro tip: use a vision board to keep your dreams front and center. It's like GPS for your money. Step 2. Research like a detective. Every investment has risks, but the pros know how to balance risk and reward. Ask, what's the worst-case scenario? Can you afford to lose that money? Diversify to spread risk. Mix stocks, real estate, bonds, or even peer-to-peer lending. Use tools like risk calculators or consult a financial advisor. And here's a secret: low-risk investments like ETFs can still yield solid returns. Don't chase shiny objects. Chase smart opportunities. Step 4. Network with the moneymakers. Want to know where the real opportunities hide? In the minds of other investors. Networking is your golden ticket. Join investment clubs, attend webinars, or slide into DMs on X to connect with industry insiders. I once met a guy at a conference who tipped me off about a startup that 10x'd my investment. Surround yourself with people who think bigger than you do. Their insights will lead you to opportunities you'd never find alone. Step 5. Take action, but stay disciplined. Here's the truth: the perfect investment doesn't exist. Waiting for it is like waiting for a unicorn. Once you've done your homework, take calculated action. Start small if you're nervous. Dip your toes with a micro investment app or a single stock. But stay disciplined. Set a budget, stick to your strategy, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. Track your investments with apps like Mint or Morningstar to stay on top of your game. Hook number 3. Want to supercharge your wealth-building journey? Click the link in the description to grab our exclusive digital marketing products, tools designed to grow your wealth online, from passive income streams to e-commerce empires. Don't miss out. Final thoughts. Finding the right investment opportunities isn't about luck. It's about strategy, research, and action. Follow these 5 steps, and you'll be spotting deals like a Wall Street wolf. Your financial future is waiting, so start today. Oh, and if you loved this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's build wealth together. Click that link below for our amazing digital marketing tools, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep chasing those opportunities. Here's where the magic happens: research. The best investors are like Sherlock Holmes, sniffing out opportunities others miss. Start with trends. What's hot? Renewable energy, AI startups, biotech? Check out platforms like X or financial news sites for real-time insights. Dive into company reports, market data, or even Reddit threads for unfiltered opinions. But here's the kicker: don't just follow the crowd. Look for undervalued gems, stocks, real estate, or small businesses that others overlook. Knowledge is your superpower. Hook number 2. Did you know 90% of investors fail because they skip this next step? Don't be that person. Step 3. Assess risk like a pro.